Hey, what's happening my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, founder of limitless.com, and in this video I just wanted to walk you through the importance of having an email autoresponder when you're doing internet marketing. Okay, so the software that I'm going to be showing you today is called ConvertKit, and I've left a link for you below, and I'm going to show you two different options that you could possibly go for and really why internet marketing and email marketing is so important. So if you can see here, what I'll get this across to you first is about automation. So if you go to features and go to automations after you go below, you can go to this page here and you can actually get visual automation and things like this here. So the reason why I've chosen this tool is because the guy who designed it, I was watching one of the interviews he done there not that long ago, and he was just saying about how he sort of discovered about email marketing, and he says that when he started he was doing this little bit of online stuff and he built up a subscriber base of around 800 subscribers, and he says he ended up selling a book because he was done application design or something like that there, so he ended up selling this book and he was hoping to do like 10k with the book sales and if the life of the whole book or whatever, and he ended up, when he sent out the email to his existing subscribers, he ended up generating $10,000 within 24 hours, and that's when he sort of said to himself, it was like, flip, this is something here. And then he was taking a look about when he was learning email marketing, he was using different softwares like MailChimp and stuff like that, and he says that when he was using the software it was very hard to implement the best practices, which is to do with subscribers, visual automations, and sending broadcast emails. So here is an example I want to walk you through, kind of showing you Autoresponder's visual automation. So it pretty much in its simplest form is that a subscriber joins your email list, they're going to get sent emails in a series of well-timed and useful emails, and then they're going to become a loyal customer or core student. So that's what the basics of visual automation is, and you can see here this is what it looks like. The newsletter, they get a questionnaire, you can do a survey, then they get tagged with different tags and then go into different sequences, which is pretty straightforward. So if you scroll way down this page, you can see it'll say here, survey your audience. So you can use that automation, you can go there and get that automation right away. But what I want to show you as well, my friend, is that if you go to pricing, you can actually start this for free, so you don't have to actually pay anything to get started with this here. And with this strategy I'm going to show you today, you can actually start delivering value without ever having a website as well. So you can see here with the free plan that you're going to get up to manage 500 subscribers, but the only thing is that you're only going to be able to send broadcast emails, which is one strategy. You're not going to get access to reporting, visual automation, or automated emails. You'll not be able to integrate with anything else either. So if you're using the paid plan, you're going to be able to use the landing page that I gave you before, and this is the second part of that video. So you can either use the free one up to 500 subscribers, or you can go up to 1,000 subscribers and be able to use all the automation stuff, all the integrations, all that cool stuff. It's entirely up to you, but you can get started for free, and whenever you get started for free you'll actually be able to build your own landing page. So you can see here, if you go up to features, you'll be able to have a landing page. So like everything what I've shared with you here the past couple of days is that every marketer online needs a landing page, and you can create one for free on this software and manage up to 500 subscribers, which is massive when you think about how powerful email marketing actually is. So you can get it started for free, up to 500 subscribers, build a landing page and all that here. I'm going to show you how you can go about doing that, and really what I want to really show you is, how do you do it kind of with the automation in place as well. So later on, maybe if you get value and you like this product, which is really good, you'll be able to move up and be able to actually start to manage 1,000 subscribers and building out these automations and things like that here. So this was the software, kind of a little story about how the founder started it, and when he started implementing the best practices with these other autoresponders, it was very hard to implement them. So this is why he designed this software. And you can see here, if we go to subscribers, and with the subscribers, which is different compared to like the likes of MailChimp, is when a subscriber subscribes to MailChimp, they might subscribe here to this form, and then they might subscribe to this other form, and when they subscribe to the other form, then you'll have 2 duplicate contacts, and then you'll end up paying for more contacts, thinking you have a bigger list than you actually already have. So with this software, it actually uses forms and tags to be able to segment people. So when someone opts into another form here, they can get tag, and it's all the one subscriber with all these different points, which is really, really cool, and it's really simple to use, and it makes it a lot more easier to use as well. In this here, you can see there's subscribers and all. So you probably won't have any subscribers of that there coming in yet, so that's alright, don't worry about that there, okay? So where we're going to start is you want to go to landing pages and forms. So when you go to landing pages, you want to go down to create form. Now I done this a little bit earlier, so we create a new form, and I called the new form, okay? So you can call it whatever you want. Few things you want to check with this new form is you want to check on the settings. You want to check, let's see, this here. So you want to make sure that this redirects to your custom tracking link, which mine was limitlessfuture.club/network-m. You want to make sure and auto confirm new subscribers, and then you want to either, depending on your domain, if you're going to use the free plan, you'll maybe make a landing page, but you'll see that option when you go to create a new form. Okay, so that's how you can create this new form. Now when you're going to connect this here, you're going to want to link it from your API. So you want to go to your general account settings, you'll see API, you'll copy that API and you'll put it into the integrations of the landing page software so that they can talk to each other. Now what I want to show you here is the email strategy. So once we've made this sequence, or once we've made this form or landing page, now you can create a landing page in here for free and be able to send traffic to that to build your list. So you can just create the landing page. Now we've done that. Now we want to go to sequences, and we want to create a sequence if you're going to use this automation side of it. If you're not going to use that, you're just going to write broadcast email, which is the next one. Okay, so you can see here that I started this and I created a new sequence. Okay, so this is in the first sequence. So what you can write here in the first email is, hi, here's the info. Okay, then you can just write something like, let's see, hey, it's Cameron, here's the info. Info. Okay, so now here you can go and link out to your link, your custom link. So then you want to go to open link, new tab, tag new subscriber. We can tag the new subscriber, sequence new EQUENCE, clicked. Okay, now this is a new tag, so when someone comes in and they click on your email, you're going to know that these people are clicking on your email, which is really, really cool. So this could be your first email autoresponder setup, or it could be your first broadcast. Now I'm not going to give you a lesson on how to write an email here. I can show you some examples, but basically you just want to write about what the people opt into your landing page for, and you want to deliver that information to them. And let's see, now your next email is going to be another pitch email, and it's going to be something just like, hey, did you miss this? Okay, and then you can write, hi my friend, here, did you miss this from yesterday? And then you can sign off your name, and then you want to link this from yesterday. You want to link back out again to your link. Okay, so you just type in it. Okay, so I'm going to tag that as sequence one clicked, sequence email clicked, insert, boom. Now this is where the magic starts to happen. Okay, so when we go to this third email, you're not going to want to pitch this person anymore. Now you're wanting to deliver some value. So how are we going to do this here without a website is you can actually go to a website called medium.com, which is a big blogging website, and you can actually go and write content blogs and tap into the traffic there. You can get some free traffic. But what the strategy I'm going to show you here is when we're going to send people from the email, you can actually go create an account, you actually can get paid for creating these posts as well. So you can create an account with medium.com, and then you can put your value on here. You can put a YouTube video, and then you can link out. You can link out to your link somewhere in here. It can be your affiliate link or anything like that there. And you're going to copy this here link, and you're going to send people to this now, which is going to be like a different angle, and you're not pitching anybody, you're actually going to be providing value, and you can do it on medium.com. Okay, so we're going to copy that link, and then we're going to put it into this one. So we're going to write, let's see, this is a game changer. This is a game changer. So we're going to write, what up, my friend? So you have probs here about this book. Today I wanted to share a top tip from the book for you. And then just sign off. Boom. Okay, so this is going to be possibly your next email, and then you can activate it. Let's see, activate it. But the important thing is you want to grab that link instead of your actual pitch link, and then you want to go share a top tip from the book for you, and then you can link out to here, and then you also paste that link in there. Bang, tick, and then you can type in sequence, or you can add any tag you kind of want. Insert. Boom. So now we've actually got a 3-day email sequence. So when someone comes along and opts into your email list, they're going to get this email first, which takes them back to your sales page or the product that you're promoting. They're going to get this next email, which is going to take them back to the product that you're promoting. And then in the third email, which is a value email, you can actually utilize medium.com to deliver value and send people an email taking them to your piece of value on Medium. And this was the whole strategy, my friend. I hope you got these ideas. If you've got any questions at all, leave me a comment below and I'll happily answer them. I'm looking forward to seeing you back again, and have a great day. I'll see you again. Peace.